If you want to change keyboard theme on a Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down, and then here we want to go to general management. Over here in general management, we're gonna proceed to Samsung keyboard settings, and then once we open these settings, we can scroll down and we can easily find the theme option. Unfortunately, the list of themes is not really worth mentioning, to be honest. We just have two options, light and dark theme, and also we have solid option for each of these themes. So as you can see, not much can be done. However, there is a little trick, I guess, a little additional option that we can use, and that is the high contrast keyboard, which allows us to add a little bit more color to our keyboard. So if you want to, you can use one of these options. And if you're looking for some, I guess, more interesting options, if you're looking for more options, or if you want to create your custom theme, then unfortunately you would have to change the keyboard. You would have to download a new keyboard, for example, from the Play Store. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.